The luxury I value today is not just owning beautiful things, it's having the wisdom to appreciate what I already have. A few weeks ago, I shared my 18-year-old Lady Dior with you. Today, I'm giving you an update because she has officially started her restoration journey. A quick reminder of why I'm changing the color. Edge darkening, corners are rubbing, there's a slight yellowing and aging to the whites. The handles are beginning to wear. I had the bag sent off to the handbag clinic in London, and it was sent off using Royal Mail. It was paid for by the company, and I was told it was going to take 16 weeks. Then I was sent a link to make payment, which I did. Reflection on when and why I bought this bag. I bought my Lady Dior bag 18 years ago when I was much younger and my life looked very different. I had fewer responsibilities and I wanted to invest in something that I could truly keep forever. The Lady Dior stood out to me because it was an icon. It wasn't something I saw as a trend or a seasonal purchase. I saw it as a piece I could carry through different chapters of my life. Today, my life has changed. I have children, and my priorities have naturally changed with that. My responsibilities are different. I wouldn't make the same type of purchase in the same way I could when I was younger. That's actually why this bag means even more to me now. It represents a time in my life when I made that investment. And instead of replacing it, I'm choosing to care for it and give it another chapter. That's why repairing her felt like the right decision. I'm not trying to replace the past. I'm preserving a piece that has already been part of my life and journey. In my next video, I would be talking about the restoration cost, wait period, and what I hope would come back to me. So join me in my next video. Thank you and see you soon.